everyone! It's me, Nix Pao Channel again. So, bago ang lahat, kapag hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa aking channel, mag-subscribe ka na at hit mo na ang bell button for more updates at ikaw ang mauuna sa aking mga videong ilalabas. So, guys, for today's video, kung mahilig kayo kumain sa Chowking at paborito nyo ang pork chow pan, so I did my own version, mala Chowking sa sarap. So, hindi ko na ito patatagalin, guys. Let's go! Let's start cooking! Let's cook our egg first for our chow pan. Yan. We're almost done. Ang sarap isahog ng manok dito. Ang ingay. Oh no! So guys, let's start cooking our chow pan. A while ago, I cooked the egg. Now, ito na talaga. So, this is mga half teaspoon lang because the pork will have its fat later para hindi masyadong oily ang ating chow pan. So, let's start first with our onions. Okay. Then our garlic. Banana. Smells yummy, yummy. Then next will be the ground pork. Let's just saute this, guys, until it is cooked. Okay. Pinch of pepper. Okay, next would be oyster sauce. Then, soy sauce. Yan. Prito ko na kaya itong mga manok na to, no? Para dagdag, toppings. Toppings yung, chicken on top. Yan. Okay. So guys, our ground pork is already cooked. Let's put our kangkong stem. First, this one. Then let's saute again. for, let's cook it for at least a minute or two. Okay. Next guys would be our kangkong leaves, or in English it is water spinach. Okay, let's just say it again. Okay. Yan. Next is the rice. Kung wala kang kaning lamig, magluto ka gabi pa lang, okay? So guys, we're almost finished. Let's put our egg that we cooked in the beginning when we first met. Oh no! Hindi pa ganun-ganun pa. Yan. O, diba? Para ka nang kumain sa Chowking. So that's it, guys. We're already finished. Let's start eating. For today's video, don't forget to like and share. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, Mixpo channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to be able to get all the notification on my upcoming videos. You can also drop your comments below, guys. Until next time, bye!